Monitoring your processes is the final step to building end-to-end workflow automation. Use airSlate tracking and analytics features to get insights into your document workflows. Analyze key metrics including order forms received, contracts signed, invoices paid, anything that matters to your business. Enjoy constant monitoring of data by visualizing complex data with widgets and graphs. Want to share workflow progress with stakeholders? Create and download PDF, CSV, or XLS reports based on any field in a document, data value, or activity in your workspace. Looking for a way to maintain compliance and security? airSlate allows you to track any workflow changes made by admins, team members, and business partners in real time. Optimize processes, reveal opportunities, and make data-driven decisions. Check out airSlate Document Workflow Automation by booking a demo.